What if disappearing wasn't the end, but the return? What if becoming wasn't public, but private? And what if this breaking, this silence, this ache in your chest was the beginning to something deeper? So here we are in a quiet before the rebirth. Now listen to this, you don't have to rush anymore. In a soft beginning, I'm gonna show you how to disappear, how to use that silence to transform your life into something powerful, peaceful, and completely your own. Number 1. Shut your mouth. The first step is the hardest. You must stop explaining. Stop telling them your plans, your dreams, your feelings. Stop waiting for approval. Because truth is, no one really cares. It might hurt, but silence is your power now. And here's the secret. Your actions speak louder. Number 2. Give yourself undivided attention. You may have given too much care, too much time, too much of your soul to people who couldn't carry it. So give it back, all of it, to you. Every breath, every step, every dream you buried under noise. Pull it up from the dirt and place it in your hands. Make yourself your home again. Turn your eyes inward. This journey, it's about you, not your friends, not your followers, or the people who ghosted you. And it's gonna feel selfish at first. That's the pain. Letting go of the need to care for everyone else. Letting go of distractions. But the beauty is, you finally learn to love yourself. Not for what you give, but for who you're becoming. And every ounce of energy you used to give away, now it goes into your rebirth. Number 3. Hide everything. Let your life become sacred. Your pain is sacred. Your growth is sacred. Your becoming is sacred. And sacred things not shared too soon. Hide it. Your tears, your progress, your little wins. Let your transformation be like roots, quiet, deep, unseen, until the day it breaks through the soil and shocks the sky. Number 4. Work with obsession and intention. Now it's time to build. Pick your path and pour into it. Don't half love it. Don't flirt with it. Marry it. Write like your soul depends on it. Create like no one's watching. Train like the old you is trying to pull you back. This is sacred work. So write it down. Study the life you want and reverse engineer it. If you wanna be a writer, study writing and write every morning. If you wanna be a YouTube creator, study the craft, practice, post. You'll probably doubt, you'll probably question if this matters, but then you'll catch a glimpse of who you're becoming and you'll realize that version of you is worth it all. Number 5. And all proving. The world wants you to chase, to compete, to compare, but here's the truth. You, my friend, as the part of the 1%, don't chase. You attract. You become what you want. So no more explaining yourself, no more proving you're worthy. Your worth isn't in your words, it's in your work, your energy, your consistency. The pain here is letting go of ego, of needing likes, of needing claps. Number 6. Embrace the loneliness. It's quiet here, no messages, no invites, just you on the mirror. Let it hurt, let the emptiness stretch you, let the hunger sharpen you, let the ache turn into art. Because this pain, this is the cost of becoming rare. This is where transformation happens. Trust me, one day you'll wake up and realize you've become your own best friend, your own hero, your own home, and no one can take that from you. Number 7. Stay hidden until it's time. Don't come back too soon. Don't announce how big progress. Stay in the shadow until your light can't be ignored. Just like the 1% of people, move silently, powerfully, with no rush, no fear. Keep your head down, keep building, keep learning. Let your silence refine you. Let time reward you. Your work will speak louder than ever. Number 8. Reappear like you've been here all along. When you return, you walk the earth differently. Soft, silent, unshakable, unbothered, unstoppable. You don't need validation. You don't need to explain. The way you walk, the way you speak, the way you are will say everything. That's the real glow up. Not just the appearance, but the energy. And that's the most powerful energy of all. You become rare. You become focused. You become someone. You are peace wrapped in power, mystery wrapped in meaning, discipline wrapped in grace. You didn't just transform your body, you rewired your soul. The thing people chase, this is what it looks like, this is what it feels like. And it all began when you disappeared, with a quiet promise to return as someone they'd never forget. And now, you are here, my friend.